In the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Through midpoint M of side CD, line BM is drawn to intersect AD when produced in point E. AC intersect BE at L, then we have to prove that EL is equal to twice of BL. So given is ABCD is a parallelogram and M is midpoint of side CD. Then proof. In triangle EDM and triangle BCM, we have angle EMD is equal to angle BMC, vertically opposite angles. And angle DEM is equal to angle CBM. These are alternate interior angles because this is parallel to A is parallel to BC. So these are the alternate interior angles. And also side DM is equal to CM. Thus, because M is the midpoint, so DM is equal to CM. Thus, by angle side, thus triangle EDM is congruent to triangle BCM. By angle side congruency. It implies DE is equal to BC by CPCT. By CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But BC is equal to AD, AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, DE plus AD is equal to twice of BC, or AE is, because DE plus AD is equal to AE, thus AE is equal to twice of BC. This is 1. Now, in triangle AEL and triangle CBL, angle AEL is equal to angle CBL, alternate interior angles. And angle ALE is equal to angle CLB. Therefore, triangle AEL is similar to triangle CBL by double A similarity. Therefore, AE upon BC AE upon BC is equal to EL upon BL. Because triangles are similar, the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. We know AE is twice of BC. So twice of BC upon BC is equal to EL upon BL. Then BC is cancelled. So 2 is equal to EL upon BL implies EL is equal to twice of BL. Hence, it is proved. In this question, ABC is a right angle at B, and D is the foot perpendicular from B on AC. If DN perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to AB, prove DN square is equal to DN into MC, and second part DN square is equal to DM into AN. Now, given in ABC this is right angle, BD perpendicular, DM perpendicular on BC, DN perpendicular on AB. Thus, we start the proof. BMDN in BMDN angle B, angle M and angle N are 90 degree each. Therefore, the fourth angle is bound to be 90 degree. Angle BMD is equal to angle BMD is equal to angle MBN. Therefore, angle MDN must be 90 degree, because the fourth angle is bound to be 90 degree, as the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So all four angles are 90. So BMDN is a rectangle. Now, in triangle CMB and triangle CDB, angle C is equal to angle C common, angle CMB is equal to angle CDB 90 degree. Therefore, triangle CMD is similar to CDB. Triangle CMD is similar to triangle CDB by double A. Similarly, triangle BMD is similar to triangle BDC. As both the triangles CMD and BMD are similar to this triangle BDC. Therefore, from these two, we can say triangle CMD is similar to triangle DMB. Reason, triangles which are similar to the same triangle are similar to each other. It implies dm upon bm is equal to cm upon dm, which further implies dm square is equal to bm cross cm, but bm is equal to dm, opposite sides of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle. Therefore, dm square is equal to, instead of dm we can write dm cross cm. First part is true, that is cm or mc same thing. ठीक है. Second part, as proved in first part, we can part 1, we can prove that triangle A and D, triangle A and D is similar to triangle D and B. Therefore, dn upon bn is equal to an upon dn, implies dn square is equal to bn cross an, but bn is equal to dn. But bn is equal to dn, therefore dn square is equal to dn cross an, hence proved. In the next question, in the figure DEFG is a square and angle BAC is 90 degree. Prove that DE square is equal to BD cross EC. So DEFG is a square and BAC is right angle at A. In triangle, we are studying the proof. In triangle BDG and triangle BAC, angle B is equal to angle B common, angle BDG is equal to angle BAC is equal to 90 degree, because this is square, so this angle is 90 and this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle BDG is similar to triangle BAC by AA Similarity. Similarly, triangle CEF is similar to triangle CAB because both the triangles BDG and CF are similar to this triangle. Therefore, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, triangle BDG is similar to triangle FEC. Thus, we require BD and DC both. So we consider the two sides BD. Thus, therefore, BD upon FE is equal to, we require EC. Corresponding to EC, this is DC. So DC upon EC. On cross multiplication, we have BD cross EC is equal to FE cross DG. FE and DG are the sides of the square which are equal to DE. DE cross DE or is equal to DE square because sides of the square. Therefore, DE square is equal to BD cross EC. Hence, proved.